Okay, so again this is lecture number 3. We'll see one more example for ending with. Okay, so now here one thing is sure, the inputs are 0 and 1, so we have input 0 comma 1. Okay, now what the example says, it should end all the strings ending with 001. So first you need to write down the language. Okay, now what is the shortest string which ends with 001? That is 001 is the shortest string. The next string could be 0001. See, it is ending with 001. Next I can have 1001. See, it is ending with 001. Then 00001. Then you can have anything. Okay, okay, there will be so many strings. So the shortest string is 001. So first draw the structure which is ending with 001. Okay, so you will have first 0, then next 0, and then next 1. Okay, so this will be final state. It is accepting only 001. Let's say it is P, Q, R and S. Okay, so now this is the basic structure which is ending with 001. Okay, now we will convert it into DFA. See, from P we don't have a transition of 1, so we need to give transition of 1. From Q also 1. From R there is 1, so I require 0. From S there is no 0, there is no 1, so I need to give for 0 and 1. Okay, now let's start from P. Okay, now if I give a transition of 1 from P anywhere, okay, so if I am giving transition of 1 from P, so how I can reach to the final state? After that one, if I got 001, then only I can reach to the final state. Is there any possibility? No. After 1, if I got only 001, then only I can reach to the final state. And from where I am getting 001, I am getting 001 from state P. See, 001. That's why the transition of 1 will be on state P only. So this is 1. Now P is over, there is 1, there is 0. Now come to the state P, Q. Okay, from Q I required 1. Now how I reach to the state Q? After taking 0. Okay, after this 0 only I can reach to the state, so already 0 will be there. Now I need to give a transition of 1. Okay, so it is now 0 1. Correct. Now after this one, what string I required so I can reach to the final state? After this one, again I required 001, then only I can reach to the final state. Correct. See, after this one, if I took 001, so it will be end with 101. After this one, if I took 00, so it is ending with 100. See, after this one I need to find out this string by taking which I can reach to the final state. Always you find out how you can reach to the final state. So 01 is already there, but after this 01 again I require 001 to reach to the final state. And from where I have this 001? I have 001 from P only. So then 1 will be back to P. So this is 1. Correct. Now Q is over, come to the R. Now how you will reach to the R? By taking 0 0, so means 0 will already be there. Okay, and then I required one more 0, means this 0. Now where this 0 will be? Okay, so it means I have 0 0 0, 3 zeros already. Okay, now after this 30, what string I required so I can reach to the final state? See, after this 30, if I got 1, so it will be 0 0 1, so it will reach to the final state. Correct. After this 0, if I got 1, then I can reach to the final state. And from where I have 1 reaching to the final state, from R state only I have 1 which goes to the final state. So this 0 will be on RO. Correct. So see, 0 0 0 1, so it is reaching to the final state, so 0 will be here. Okay, come to the state S. From S I required 0 first. Okay, now how you will reach to the S? You will reach to the S by taking 0 0 1. Okay, means 0 0 1 is already there, and after that I need to give 0. Correct. So after this 0, what string I required so I can reach to the final state? Okay, always see this one, this 0 1. By taking this only you can reach to the final state. So from this 0 0 1, 0 is already here. Correct. Now I required only 0 1, that is after this 0 I required 0 1. Now see from where I have 0 1. I have 0 1 from state Q. Okay, 0 1. So this 0 will come here. Got it? Now let's see for 1 again. How I reach to the final state? I reach to the s. I need to give a transition of 1 from s. So how you will reach to the s? 0 0 1. After taking 0 0 1, I reach to the final state and I required 1. So where this 1 will be? Okay, so after this 1, what string you will require to reach to the final state? After this one, I'll require 0 0 1 only, then only I can reach to the final state. There is no other way, correct? So from where 0 0 1 is there? From p. So then 1 will go to p. So this is a DFA which is ending with 0 0 1, correct? So then you will write on the definition and acceptance of string and all that. Okay, that I'll not discuss here. I'm discussing only the how to draw the DFA. This is the heart of the DFA, correct? Thank you.